Okay, let's start it. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
How are you?
We are fine.
Thank you.
Thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay. As you know that this week, the 12th graders for the English class or Lab Bahasa class, some students are still having presentations there. It's students from each class, right? And I am inviting the students who don't have the presentation today to join with me in the Zoom meeting because I am, as your English theory teacher, want to start a new material to explain. Okay, so as you know that you are done with the first material for the English class. What is it? What is your first material? Do you still remember what it is? Hello? Hello? Can you listen to my voice or not? Hello, everyone.
Hello, Miss.
Can you listen to my voice?
Yes, Miss.
Only you, Nadir. How about others? Oh, okay, Fahmi answer it in the chat room. Yeah, your first material is about procedural text, okay? And for your informations that in this semester you only have two main materials. Hanya ada dua materi utama ya. The first is procedure and the second, do you remember what it is? We have delivered to you in the very beginning of the semester. Materi kedua apa setelah procedure?
Report text.
Report text, right. Okay, so you are going to study about report text. Maybe in LB, in the beginning, your teacher said that you are going to have the cycle process presentations, but next it will be changed into report text. Okay. Kamu tahu apa itu report text? Do you know what report means in Indonesian?
Laporan.
Laporan? Apakah kamu akan membuat sebuah laporan like when you write your lapsus for your daily report for your laboratory?
No, Miss.
No.
Oh, that's different. Okay. Okay. Before I start to explain what report text is, I want you to look at to this. Okay. I have two texts here. Wait, I'm going to share something to you. Okay. Can you see that?
Not
No.
yet.
Not yet.
Yeah. Right. How about now? How about now?
Not yet.
Not yet. Let's just wait. Oh yeah, since I'm only using the free service of Zoom, so if the meeting is ended automatically, please go again to the Zoom with the same. Hello, do you hear my voice, everyone?
Yes, Miss.
Can you see my screen, share screen now?
No, Miss.
Yeah.
No,
How about now?
not yet. No, Miss.
No, Miss.
How about now? Not yet now? Not yet sih?
Bisa, Miss.
Bisa udah nampak?
Nampak, Miss.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay. There I am showing you two texts, right? What is the first title?
My parrot.
Birds.
My one. How do you spell it? How do you pronounce it?
Parrot.
My parrot. Okay, not my parent, yeah. My parrot. Okay. But the second text, what is the title?
Birds.
Birds. Okay. Any one of you who wants to be the volunteer to read the first text entitled My Parrot? One of you? One of you please read it. How about ada saya yang nunjuk kalau gitu. Bayi Haki.
Yes, Miss.
Can you please read the text entitled My Parrot?
Yes, Miss. My parrot. I have a parrot named Bejo. Bejo is a parrot that is very active and agile. My parrot has a very dark black color and yellow beak. At the back of the head, there are parts such as yellow combs. My parrot loves to imitate sound. He can imitate general, how are you, there are a guest, and much more. Bejo is a very tame bird. He does not like pack human. When there are people who approach him, he will jump up and down happily.
Okay, thank you, Bayi Haki. Okay, everyone. When you are reading the text while Bayi Haki was reading the text to you, I believe that you understand the meaning of this text, right? Okay, although maybe you don't understand every single word there, maybe some of the words you don't know the meaning, like agile, apalagi ya, and others. Okay, maybe pack human. You don't know the meaning, but I believe that you know the main meaning of it. Okay, what does the text tell to you? Ini ngobrolin tentang apa sih teksnya?
Burung.
Burung parrot ya. Diapakan? Okay. What are told here? What are told in this text?
The ability of parrot.
The ability. Okay. What else? Kalau mau jawab di unmute dulu ya. Oke, selain ability-nya apa lagi yang dijelasin di sini? What is other things told in this text besides telling about the ability? How about the first paragraph? What does it tell in the first paragraph? It is telling what is it?
Nama.
The name, okay. What's next? Bejo is a parrot that is very active and agile. My parrot has a very dark black color and yellow beak. Okay. Menjelaskan tentang apanya ini?
Karakteristik of the parrot.
The characteristic, the physical characteristic, right? How the parrot looks like, right? Okay, now let's move on to the second text entitled Bird. Any volunteer? Again? How about you, Gracia, from class 5? Can you read the second text to us?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please.
Bird is vertebrate animals that have feathers and wings. Birds are the only vertebrate animals which can fly. Birds have thousands of species that spread across the world, starting from the small species that spread across the world, starting from the small birds such as hummingbird and the large birds such as the ostrich. Although birds are the only vertebrates that can fly, there are many ways that cannot fly, like chickens, penguins, and ostriches. Its body is covered by which have diverse function and colors. Bird's beak has also many different forms adapted to their food. For example, falcons have powerful beaks and sharp used for tearing threading, while hummingbird has a small beak and long used for sucking honey.
Okay, thank you, Grazia. Okay, for reading the second text. Okay, so for the second text entitled birds. Okay, what is telling in this text? Ngomongin tentang apa teks ini? Everyone, nonton di Grazia.
Ngomongin burung ya.
What?
Burung adalah vertebrata animal.
Okay, it tells that bird is a vertebrate animal. Okay. And okay, look at the first paragraph. Jelasin tentang apa sih? That have feathers and wings. Okay, what does the bird have, right? Okay. Coba sambil dibaca sendiri. Diandra from Salford. Hello, Diandra. Can you tell us what does the first paragraph tell to us?
Burung merupakan hewan
No. I'm asking about the main idea of the first paragraph. What is the main idea of the first paragraph? What is telling about there?
physical description.
The physical appearance of birds.
Yes.
Which one that tells that?
Have feathers and wings.
Which one?
Have feathers and wings.
Wings. It is in the second paragraph or the first paragraph?
First paragraph.
Sorry? I'm asking about the first paragraph.
Type of bird.
Kinds of birds, right? They're telling us about kinds of birds or telling about the bird in general, gitu kan ya? Ngasih tahu secara umum dulu what is bird. It is a vertebrate animals. But in the second paragraph, it tells about the Diandra. Are you there?
Yes.
And the second paragraph, it starts with its body is covered by which have diverse functions and colors. Ini baru di paragraf kedua, it is telling about what?
Description.
The physical, descriptions about bird, okay, the descriptions of birds, and it is telling about the physical characteristic of birds. Right. Okay. Thank you, Diandra.
Yes.
Okay, now I want you to compare the two texts, okay? Do you think there are the same kind of text, or in English you call it as a text genre, right? Are they in the same genre or not? Do you think they are in the same genre or not, everyone?
No, Miss, no.
No? Why? Who is answering? Who are you? Mention your name first.
Deska, Miss.
Deska, okay. Why do you think that they are not the same?
Because the birds have a different characteristic, Miss.
Because birds have different characteristic with berbeda dari apa?
Their beak is different.
I'm asking about not the content of the text, but the type of the text. Are they in the same genre or not? Genre-nya sama nggak? Atau tipenya sama nggak? What do you think? You said that no, okay. Why do you think that they are different? What makes them different?
Pardon, Miss. Jungle or what is it?
Genre, tipe, the type of the text.
Oh, I'm sorry, Miss.
No, it's okay. Do you think it's the same or not?
Yep. Different, Miss.
It's different. What makes them different then? Coba tebak aja.
Because tipenya beda. Because that's different, just different. I don't know why.
You know, you don't have any reason why they are different. Anyone can help Deska? Do you have the same opinion like Deska, that you think that both of the texts are different? Different or the same?
Different.
Different. Okay. Can you mention the reasons why they are different? Mention your name first if you want to state your opinion.
My name is Nabila.
Okay, Nabila. From?
From 12.
Okay, Nabila. Why do you think that they are different?
Because Miss pakai bahasa Indonesia boleh gak?
Can you try it in English slowly?
Yang
The second text.
the second text, that is report text. Jadi dia ngedeskripsiin secara umum.
It describes thing. It describes birds in
General.
in general. Okay, how about the first text?
The first text is descriptive text because it describes the thing in specific.
Specific, okay. Thank you, Nabila, for your answer. As you see in the title of this picture, it is report, okay, versus descriptive. Okay, they are different, right, Nabila? Like what Nabila explained to you, okay, that both of the texts are in the different genre. The first one, my parrot, it is descriptive text, and the second one, it is report text. Okay. Although when you see or when you read these both texts, both of them are describing something. Dua-duanya mendeskripsikan sesuatu. The first is it describes parrot. Tapi parrotnya parrot siapa? The parrot that is owned by the writer. Parrotnya punya penulisnya gitu kan ya. But the second text, it describes a thing. A thing di sini deskripsikan apa? Birds. But it describes in general. Tidak mendeskripsikan birds-nya siapa gitu kan ya. Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand what I mean? Okay.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
describes all birds in the world. Okay. Semua burung di dunia disebutkan di sini. But of course, it will not describe all birds in detail. I mean, all birds in the world in detail, but only describes birds in general. Intinya apa? Bahwa all birds in this world, there are vertebrate animals, and all of them have feathers and wings, gitu kan ya? Dan dijelaskan juga here. Look at my cursor. Okay, some of them can fly, gitu kan ya? Tapi ada juga yang nggak bisa terbang. It is mentioned like that. Okay, it describes in general. Okay. Sekarang paham maksud saya? Do you understand my explanations about the difference of descriptive and report? The report text, it describes something in general, okay? But descriptive, okay, it describes something, masih deskripsiin sesuatu, but specifically, okay, secara khusus. Specifically here doesn't mean that it only describe, it describe everything in details. It's not something like that, but describe something specific. Mendeskripsikan di sini parrotnya yang itu doang yang dideskripsikan, ya. Yang dideskripsikan my parrot, berarti parrot punyanya penulis doang gitu ya. Do you understand what I mean? Yes or no? Can you give
Yes,
your
ma'am.
yes. Okay, gitu ya. Paham maksudnya descriptive sama report ya? Both are describing something, but descriptive, yang itu doang yang dijelasin. Kalau report, it describes something in general. And you can also indicate the difference of descriptive and report by looking at the title of the text. Kalau kira-kira saya punya teks yang judulnya My House, and I will make a text with that title, do you think it is descriptive text or report text?
Descriptive.
Descriptive. If the title is a cat, it will be descriptive or report?
Report.
Report, right? Because it describes a cat in general. Jadi semua kucing dideskripsikan, gitu ya. How if I describe about what? Smakbo. Oh, descriptive or report?
Descriptive.
Yeah, it's descriptive text, right? It describes Smakbo specifically. Jadi cuma Smakbo doang yang deskripsikan ya. Okay, berbeda jika it describes about chemical schools and Smakbo is one of them. It will become a report text. Understand?
Yeah, understand.
Question? Question or not?
Uh,
Do you have any question?
no.
No? Okay, right
No.
now. Wait. What do you see in your screen now? The Zoom meeting or the search screen that I shared? Hello, everyone.
The Zoom meeting,
No
Miss.
like Miss.
Oh, the Zoom meeting. Right. I think the meeting will end automatically after a few minutes. Okay, before you go to the new room meeting, I want you to watch the video that I have shared in YouTube. Kamu tonton dulu baru nanti masuk lagi ya. Okay, here I'm going to share the link to you. Wait.
Okay, Miss.
Wait a minute. By the way, do you have any midterm tests for the practical class this week?
Yes, Miss.
What was it? What test do you have? I'm going to end the meeting and then please your okay, the first is noun or non-phrase, the second is action verbs, the third is simple present, the fourth passive, the fifth is technical, and the last is linking verbs. Are you done? You done? Can you please answer yes or no?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now let's go back to the text. Let's discuss about the first language features. Apa yang first?
Noun.
Noun or non-phrase? I think it's easy. Coba tunjukin ke saya noun in this sentence. In this text. Yang mana yang termasuk noun?
Pigeons.
Pigeon. Apa lagi?
Doves.
Doves. Okay, what else?
Rock dove.
Rock dove, oke, apa lagi?
Singbird.
Okay, what else? And others. Okay, there are a lot of noun. Now, can you mention the noun phrase? Tahu nggak apa yang dimaksud dengan noun phrase?
Adjective plus noun.
Okay, noun phrase. Yeah, good. Thank you for you who answered. Siapa? Nggak tahu namanya. Ya, noun phrase is adjective plus noun biasanya. Noun phrase itu adalah noun yang dimodified dengan kata yang lain. Coba cari contohnya. Kata benda yang dijelaskan dengan kata lain, okay? But it's not in the form of sentence.
Small head.
Small head, okay? In which paragraph? This one, the second paragraph. Small head, okay? A small head, A-nya ikut ya. Jadi head-nya sebagai noun-nya, and then it is modified with the word small atau adjective. Can you find others? Selain small head, apa lagi?
Short.
This one? Short, big, okay. How about this one? Various size. Do you think it is a noun phrase or not? Various size. Size itu noun bukan? Size itu kata benda ya. And then it is modified with adjective various. Jadi disebut noun phrase, okay? Still there's a noun phrase. Ada lagi? Can you find others? How about this? Two large and muscular wings. Two large and muscular wings. Okay, this long phrase is noun phrase. Dua, wings itu adalah sayap, yang muscular itu berotot gitu ya, dan besar. Okay, dijelaskan dengan dua adjective. Paham tentang noun phrase, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Okay, let's move on to the second language feature. Yang kedua apa? After noun phrase?
Action verb.
Sorry?
Action.
Action verb, okay. So it is a verb that shows an action. Verb yang menunjukkan action. Maybe in this text you cannot find it. Kemarin saya udah cari sama the first classes, okay. Contohnya action verb itu kalau animal, for example, like eat, okay. Jadi yang menunjukkan action ya, sleep, kemudian walk, run. Kalau tumbuhan kira-kira action verbnya apa? If you describe a plant, kira-kira action verbnya apa?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis? No, it is a noun. Grow, contohnya ya, mereka tumbuhnya finding the sunlight, contohnya gitu. Ya, kalau photosynthesis itu is a noun, okay. Gitu ya. Kalau benda, maybe there is no action verb for that. Okay, let's move on to the third language feature. Apa yang ketiga?
Simple present tense.
Simple present tense, right. I think it's easy because report text is a text which tells about a fact. Jadi selalu data, based on the data, okay, and dan selalu fakta. So everything must be written in simple present form. Ditulis dalam bentuk simple present. And mostly all the sentences are in the present form. Jelas ini ada to be is ya. Kemudian for example exhibit, okay, it used verb 1. Okay, all of them are simple present. Let's move on to the next. After simple present, what is it?
Passive voice.
Passive voice, okay. Have you got that material when you were in the 11th grade?
Yes.
Yes, do you still remember what it is?
To be plus verb 3.
Yeah, to be plus verb 3, right. Salah satu ciri dari passive voice itu adalah ada to be sama verb 3. Okay, and because it is always use simple present, to be yang dipakai pastinya adalah to be bentuk present. Ada 3 apa aja? Is, am, are, right. Okay, can you find it in the first paragraph? There is one sentence that use passive voice here. Yang ada to be sama verb 3-nya.
Is used.
Is used in which
The
line?
word pigeon is used to
Yeah, the
address
word
a
pigeons
service.
is used to address. Jadi is used di sini kalau bahasa Indonesia diartikan digunakan ya. Okay. And can you find it again one more in the last paragraph? Di paragraf ketiga ada lagi. One more.
They have been used.
Yeah, have been used, right? Okay, have been used. Good. Okay, paham ya passive voice ya. And next week we are going to have another meeting for me to review about passive voice. Next, after passive voice apa lagi? The language feature-nya?
Technical or scientific terms.
Okay, technical or scientific terms. Terms itu kan kalau in Indonesian you translate into istilah ya, istilah yang bersifat scientific and technical. Can you mention it? Or can you find it in this text?
Yes, Miss.
What is
Wait.
it?
Columbiadae.
Okay, clearly, okay, it is Columbidae, okay? It is a scientific term, or Columbiformes, right? Apalagi selain kata ini? Because it talks about animal, ayo kira-kira yang termasuk scientific termnya animal apa?
Species.
Species, okay? Bukan spesies ya, species. Can you say it, everyone? Species.
Species.
Okay. Apalagi, ya? Can you find others?
Di bawah ada kalau salah. Miss.
Apa tuh?
Ada gak ya?
This one, muscular wings. It's also a scientific term, ya? Because it talks about animal, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you understand that? Sorry?
Domesticated apa, Miss?
Apa? Yes, what? Hello? Oh, okay, let's move on to the next language feature. Okay, after scientific term, the last is?
Verb.
Sorry, linking verbs, right? Linking verbs. It is a verb, okay? Wait a minute, yeah, terserah.
Makanan itu kita tuh bukan.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, the last is linking verbs. Linking verbs, of course, is in the form of verb. Verb itu kata kerja. And you know the meaning of link is? Link artinya apa?
Menghubungkan.
Menghubungkan. Jadi verbs yang menghubungkan gitu ya. And mostly it is indicated with the form of to be. Biasanya diindikasikan dengan bentuk to be tanpa verb 3 ya. Or with the word have. Have yang artinya mempunyai, okay? For example, this one. Their body is compact with 2 large and muscular wings and 2 short legs on it. The word is here, it has a function as linking verb. Jadi fungsinya sebagai kata kerja yang menghubungkan. Menghubungkan apa? Their body, dari sini kan refers to pigeons ya. Badinya pigeons itu sama posisinya atau setara dengan, bukan setara. It means that their body itu compact with 2 large bla bla bla. Gitu. Jadi menghubungkan their body with this characteristic. Okay? Or it can also indicate with the word have. Okay? Look at here. They have a small head with short back. Okay? Kata have di sini, it also can mention as can also be called as a linking verb. Kata kerja penghubung. Menghubungkan apa? They, dari sini refers to pigeons ya. Mereka apa? Have a small head with short back. Okay? Jadi untuk gampangnya linking verb can be indicated with to be or the word. Atau kata apa? Kata apa guys?
Yes.
Kata apa? Hello, are you listening to me?
Yes, Miss.
Selain to be bisa diindikasikan dengan kata apa?
Yes.
Yeah.
Have.
Right. Look at my pointer. Okay, selain kata to be adalah have. Biasanya linking verb seperti itu ya. For the complete explanation, maybe let's discuss it next week or in other occasion, okay? When we meet at school. Okay, I think that's all for the explanations of report text. Do you have any question?
No.
Do you have any question?
No, Miss.
Are you sure? Is everything clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then I'm sorry if there are some disturbance in our meeting today. And after this, I will put an exercise for you to analyze a report text, okay? And do it, finish it today. The exercise is to analyze a report text. I will give you a text in the form of report, and then I want you to find, for example, the first language feature is noun. Okay, so you mentioned the example of noun in that text, like what we did, okay, a few minutes ago. Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
Hello? Respond me, please.
No, Miss.
No? Okay. If you don't have any questions, I think that's all for today. If you have something to ask, just WhatsApp me or ask it through the classroom comment. And bye-bye, everyone. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Miss.
Nice day too, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Hmm.